Major developments are unfolding between Ukraine and the United States, and they could change the course of the war. Kyiv and Washington have reached a deal on mineral resources that could be signed by Friday this week. But with this agreement comes high stakes, and not everyone is happy with the terms. US President Donald Trump has indicated that Ukraine's president is expected to travel to Washington on Friday to finalize this deal. Trump has told reporters that he hears that he's coming on Friday, and certainly it's okay with him if he'd like to. But what's at stake here? Ukraine has agreed to funnel 50% of the revenues from its vast natural resources, so think oil, gas, and rare earth minerals, into a fund aimed at rebuilding and strengthening Ukraine's future. This could be a significant move for Ukraine's economy, but the deal has major gaps. While this agreement lays out major financial commitments, it does not include any security guarantees, which Ukraine had initially pushed for. So what does this mean for Ukraine's defense? These minerals, including lithium and titanium, are essential for the production of modern technologies and are high in demand as well globally. Ukraine sits on these critical resources, and whoever controls them holds immense power in the global race for energy as well as tech dominance. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Zelensky previously rejected two earlier versions of this deal, fearing it would force future generations of Ukrainians to pay back harsh terms. Let me just tell you, as Zelensky put it, I will not sign what 10 generations of Ukrainians will have to pay back. So has this new agreement really struck the right balance? And will it be enough to secure Ukraine's future after years of war? And crucially, what's the true cost of these mineral resources for Ukraine's sovereignty?